Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Snapchat video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the background on your profile. If you're interested in Snapchat videos, definitely subscribe to the channel and check out the Snapchat playlist where there's hundreds of tutorials. Now getting into it, in order to do this, you want to tap on your profile icon right here. Then you're going to be brought to your profile where you can change your settings and see your avatar and things like that. What you want to do is tap on the background icon on the right side of your avatar there. So this is going to bring you into the background editor. You're going to see tons of different options here to choose from. Just scroll through here till you see one that you like. There's some that are plain, there's some that are like photo backgrounds, so there's a lot to choose from. Probably like 100 different options. Let's just go with this one for now and tap save. There you go. That's how you change the background for your Snapchat profile. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.